I asked for the report specifically, so I could review the data. The new policy applies specifically to employees in the sales department. The instructions specifically stated that the oven should not be used for storage. She requested a vegetarian meal specifically because she doesn't eat meat. The grant was specifically for research on renewable energy sources. The product is designed specifically for use in outdoor environments. The company is looking for candidates with experience, specifically in marketing. The feature is specifically meant to improve user privacy. The contract specifically stated that payment was due upon completion of the work. The law applies specifically to cases of discrimination in the workplace. The new technology is specifically designed to reduce energy consumption. The medication is specifically meant to treat symptoms of allergies. The training program is specifically tailored to the needs of the company. The policy is specifically meant to protect the rights of the employees. The grant is specifically for funding projects that have a positive impact on the environment. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.